Hello everyone and welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we are going to discuss about how to fix a call failed on iPhone iOS 18. For example, if you try to make a call on iPhone and after that you see that it is failed. For example, if you try to call someone from here and you see this kind of error as call failed on your iPhone iOS 18, then how you can fix that? For this, what you have to do, you have to simply watch this video completely. So what first of all what you have to do, you have to make sure that you have connected both physical and eSIM, and if you have connected physical SIM, then you have to simply take out the physical SIM and try to insert it again. And if you are using eSIM, then try to reset your eSIM. And after that, what you can do next is you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and here you have to scroll it down until you find the option of transfer or reset iPhone. And here you have to click on reset, and you have to reset all of your network setting. And after that, the setting network setting, you have to simply check whether you have not blocked that contact, which means if you are trying to contact the person which is blocked on your iPhone call list, then this kind of error will be shown, which means call failed option will be available. Then you have to make sure that you have not blocked that person. And if the problem is still there, then you have to simply restart your device and turn it on again. And after restarting, you have to check again whether your problem has been solved or not. If the problem is still there, then what you have to do next is you have to make sure that you have installed the latest version of iOS on your iPhone. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply install the latest version. For this, you have to simply go to settings, and after that you have to go to general, and you have to check software update. And if it is showing any kind of update, then you have to simply update the software app. And after checking the software update, you have to simply go back. Now you have to go to settings again, and you have this time you have to simply go to the phone settings, and here you have to simply click on that, and you have to look for phone, and here you have to make sure that it is using well, and you have turned on the mobile data, and also you have turned on the default calling, and you have to make sure that you have selected a default calling app of phone. And if you select any other, then you will see that call failed option will be available. So you have to make sure that you have not changed the default calling app. Moreover, you can simply check for the block contacts, and if any block contacts is available, then you have to simply remove that, and you have to try to make the call again. So hope you have liked this video. If you get more videos like these, you can subscribe our channel.